Welcome to Hospitality School. Introducing Hotel Front Office Training Manual with 231 SOP by HospitalitySchool.com. Key features of this excellent and resourceful training manual are: it is a comprehensive collection of some must-read hotel and restaurant housekeeping management training tutorials. 254-page full of content. 231 professionally written hotel front office standard operating procedures collection. Highly recommended for professional front office staffs and hotel management students. Comes in big size. It is a 11 by 8.5 industry standard size book. No practical experience needed. Anyone interested to pursue a career in front of the house of a hotel or restaurant can read and learn. Like our tutorials published in this blog, this manual is also written in easy English. Perfect for all. You can buy ebook, or paperback, or Kindle version, anything you want. Very low price comparing to other front office manuals in the market. Cover following policies and procedures of every aspect of hotel front office operation. For example, general reservation, guest service agent, cashiering, front office duty manager, guest service center, business center, executive floor, concierge, bell desk, doorman. Review from our reader. The best training manual in its category. Do not waste your time. Get your copy now. Download preview copy. Visit our website www.hospitalityschool.com/training-manuals/front office. First visit our website hospitalityschool.com. And then from Training Manual menu, click on Hotel Front Office. As you can see, you can download free preview copy. Click on Buy Now button and then you can pay through PayPal. You will get download link automatically in your inbox within few seconds after your successful purchase. So, get your copy right now. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.